Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm creating this video to provide you some guidance, or just to give you notes on how to do certain things. In this case, in our case here, in this video, I want to show you how do we format the spreadsheet, and then in the second video I will just show you how to do simple calculation, since they don't have it in the textbook how to do it. So I'll just create this video for you. Okay. As for this assignment, we will take from this spreadsheet, the one that I have posted on Edmodo. Okay, and you can just download this. I believe we all did this already in the class. This is just for your revision. So I have downloaded it, and then I have cut and copied this on my desktop. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so this is our file here. You can see I just added this one, this tab, so that we will do some we can do spreadsheet formatting here. Okay, please ignore this. Okay, just ignore this, yeah. So what we can do here, if you download the spreadsheet from Edmodo, okay, this one is without this sheet tab. Okay, this sheet I just added it after I download. Okay, as you all know, so that I can show you how to do formatting, how to format the spreadsheet. Okay, so for example, now we have this spreadsheet. If you want to add the spreadsheet, you can just add here. Okay, and then we can move it anywhere you want. Okay, or if you don't want it, you can just right click on it and delete it. Yeah, just delete. You can also copy the spreadsheet. Okay, say this is the one that we'll be working out. We'll be working on calculation, simple calculation, and also this. Yeah, you can also move or copy. Okay, move to end, create copy, and then you can double click on it and rename it, rename the sheet. Okay, just showing. Okay, so this is just showing you how to make another copy of the spreadsheet. Okay, and then I have shown you also earlier that we can always color the sheet tab. I always color the sheet tab just to show the difference, because if I'm teaching from grade say 7 until grade 10, so I have let's say blue color for grade 7, and then I will have red for the other grades, and so on. Okay, right click on the sheet tab and then choose tab color, and then you choose the color that you want. Okay, this is just showing that what you can do with this. Okay, so for calculation, I'll put all purple. Okay, this is example. So I don't need this. I'm going to delete this anyway. Okay, because we have the sheet here already. So example, that color, I'm going to put it as green. Okay, so this is the original one. the one that we did earlier in the class. Okay, as for now, we are going to work on formatting spreadsheet. This formatting spreadsheet is actually from this. Okay, we are going to work this out to look like this. Okay, how do we do that? Okay, just now in the class, some student asked, after we do some calculation, why do we have hashtag here? Okay, this hashtag shows that we don't have enough space to accommodate the words or the letters in the cells. So the easiest way to adjust width of a column is by clicking the triangle here. Okay, and then you go to header, column header. Remember that we learned this is called column header, the A, B, C, D, and then this is row header. Okay, so let's put our cursor on the column header, and between the lines here you just double click. Okay, when you double click, automatically it will be adjusted. Okay, and then okay, why this happened? Because we did not merge. We will come to this later. You can also adjust the width by click and drag. Okay, okay, so this is how it look like. So automatically it will be adjusted according to the space needed. So this is the example of this. We want to make it like this. Okay, as you can see here, I have merged the title of the table. We are creating the table. So how do we merge? We just highlight, say I want to create this title until here, until max and min. Okay, put merge and center. Okay, as for the size, font color and font size, you can just adjust it here. Okay, bold or not bold, underline or no, italic. This is the thing. This is the simplest thing that we have learned before, and this is for the alignment. We have left, center, right. Okay, for me, I want it to be in center, and then this is the position of the sentence in the cell here. So this is below, this is middle, above. Okay, so let's put it in the middle. Okay, and then let's talk about inserting rows. You can always right click to insert rows, right click, insert rows. Okay, whenever you insert the rows, the new row will always appear on top of the older row. See here, insert new row. Okay, I don't want this, so I'm going to delete this. This is just an example for you. Oh, maybe I would like to have some space in between of the title and the table. So right click, insert. Same goes to the column. Right click on the column header, insert. Any new column will appear on the left side. Okay, so I don't want it, highlight and delete. So this is the basic thing that we learned now. Inserting the sheet tab, color the sheet tab, insert table and rows, and then adjusting the width. Okay, we can also I'll show this later. Okay, as for now, since we are trying to make the table like this, okay, the first thing I would do is I want to add the border. So this is adding border. Okay, highlight the area that you want to add lines or border. Okay, go to border here, and then all borders, choose all borders. Yeah, now we can see some borders here, and then we can adjust it. okay, to make it look much more better, okay. So I'm going to highlight this, okay, and then I will choose no border. No border means you are eliminating all the borders around it. So what I want is, I want the outside border here. I highlight, okay, I choose outside border, okay. To make my work faster, what I will do is highlight, I press Ctrl on your keyboard, press Ctrl key, don't let go, and highlight once more, highlight once more, and then we have this like this. Go to no border, and then again assign outside border, okay, outside border. Then it will look like this, okay. As for the title, I would like all of it to be in center alignment, so I'm going to put it at center here. And then as for name, you know, when we are merging cell, we can, not only that, we can merge the column. This one is example of, if you see the title is an example of you merging the column. We can also merge the rows, okay. So I'm going to highlight this, merge and center, highlight this, merge and center. Merge means we are combining two or more rows to become one. Same for column. This one also, merge and center. Okay, let's go to working hours. Okay, as you can see here, we have week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. This is actually for working hours, okay, per week. So what I will do is, I'm going to highlight here, because this working hours is actually referring to week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4. I'm going to highlight this, so I'm going to merge it. It will look something like this, okay. And then for total working hours, okay, in this case we can't merge it, because if we merge it, we will be cancelling out one of the rows here, So what we will do is, just like we did for this, highlight, no border, and then outside border, okay. For total payment, since it's only in one line, we can merge and center, okay. Average working hour, we cannot do that. Once we merge, we will be cancelling one of the row. So I will choose no border. I'll just change the border, okay. And let's go to max, min and working hour. I'm going to highlight, press the Ctrl key, don't let it go, and highlight once. For min working hour, go to border, no border, and outside border. There you go, okay. So this is what you can do for formatting the spreadsheet. Okay, one more thing, let's shade it, put some to differentiate between the heading of the table and the body of the table. So I'm going to choose, actually I love pink, but it's okay, blue is the easiest one that we can get here. Green is okay too. Oh, purple, no, it's okay, I'll just choose blue, okay. So let me see. Ooh, I have covered, okay. So this is how you format the spreadsheet. Okay, let me just show you one more thing, okay, on one more way for you to adjust the column or row, okay. Highlight the header, row header, okay. This is another way for you to do it. Right click, row height, okay. In this case, I think our size is 15. Let's make it let's see 5. Let us see how 5 looks like. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, can't read it anyway. Highlight it, row height you can change, don't panic, you can always undo your work. Okay, okay, 15 is quite nice. Okay, now for week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Okay, highlight the header. Okay, again highlight the header, and then right click on it, column width you can change. Let us put 5. Let's see 5. I like number 5. Okay, 5 looks like this. It doesn't look good because of this. You see, it's covering week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Okay, let's change it maybe to 10. See how 10 looks like. Yeah, 10 is big, but the best way I think that we can do is by highlighting it and then put your cursor at the line header here, at the border here, and click. So everything will be adjusted to it. Yes, Adik? Oh, sorry, I will come to you after this, yeah? Okay, so I think that's about it. Okay. So that's all for formatting spreadsheet. Okay. You can just go and try out at your house. I mean, before the test, or anytime you want. Okay. So after this, I'll be seeing you again in calculation. We'll be doing on example. After that, we will do on. This is a simple one, and then we go to a bit much more complicated. How to say, table. Okay. So bye, thank you very much, see you again next time.